Open an image in Affinity Photo and go to Filters and then Colours and down to Procedural Texture. Procedural Texture, you see by default there's nothing there, so go to the plus and add an equation. Make certain the R and G and B are all set on. You can see here they're all set to 0, obviously black. Now I'm just going to paste a function in, just very quickly here, and equation, so you can just see now variable vec2, it creates a vector, and that variable is passed into this equation at the end. So you can just see that equation there, and there's a V. However, you need to create an A, so just go down the bottom here, and you could go with Z, if you're reasonable, but I'm just going to click the R, and that just creates a custom input. Then I can set that to a value, so say 20, and there you can see the end result. You've got this lovely design, but you can vary it a bit more if you want to maybe add some colour into it. You can always create multiple channels. So just going to select all of that and then go plus down there again. And you can see you get this red, green, blue still. You can deselect that, deselect that one, select that one and B. So you've got red, green and blue. And you can see the result there. But of course they're still set to 0. So paste that in. And you can see now you've got that. They're all fully, however, it's exactly the same. What you need to do is set that A to B. And of course, as there is no B at the moment down in custom inputs, you need to create that. So just quickly create those. Whoops, didn't he? If you create one too many, like I've just done, you can always remove it, simply close it there. Then you can set the value, say 12. You can see the result, maybe 30. And you can see, and you can vary it. You don't have to go with 20, you could go with 10. Maybe go with 5 to create a very intense design. And also because you've got RX and RY there, you can move it. So you can decide, you know what, I want it in a different position. Apply it there and click apply. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Thank you much.